Hey there, it's Stacy from Home Organized Tribe, and I'm back with another 2-minute tidy tip designed to help you take one small, doable step toward a calm, clutter free home. So let's talk about those kitchen counters. You know the ones: mail piles, appliances you haven't touched in weeks, water bottles, lunch boxes, and who knows what collecting in every corner. And here's the thing: clutter counters aren't just annoying, they actually drain your energy, steal your prep space, and make your kitchen feel harder to clean. So let's reset that space today with a few quick wins. All right, so we've got 3 easy steps today to get you to counter clarity. Number 1, do a wipe and sort. Grab a laundry basket or a bin and swipe everything off the counters. Yep, everything. Then sort into 3 sections. I want daily use, I want you to keep them. You rarely use it, they should be tucked away in a cabinet. And if you've got stuff that should be trash or donated because you don't use it, let's bless and release it. Number 2, create zones. Decide what belongs on your counters on purpose. So for us, it's the coffee station. We use that every single morning, and so that deserves a space out on the counter. We don't use our toaster very often, so that is tucked away. I want you to give each zone a home so clutter doesn't sneak back. And that's what it does. If you have the zone, you know what goes there and what doesn't go there so that things don't just pile up. All right, the third one is limit the decor. Sometimes we get a little out of control with having too much decor in such a space that we need to actually be useful. So 1 or 2 things out is great, but a lineup of random trinkets, it's just noise and it's taking away places that you could actually have as functional spaces in your kitchen. So think peaceful, not Pinterest perfect. Okay, the truth is, clear counters equal a clear mind. And even 5 minutes of intention here can really change how your whole kitchen feels. So if you're craving more help getting your kitchen under control, I've created an entire program called the Kitchen Reset. Because, yep, it's time to reset that kitchen to have it functioning the best for you right now in this phase of life. It walks you through every cabinet, every drawer, and decision so you're not just stuck doing it alone. Because I know motivation is really hard when you feel alone doing something. So you can grab it in the link in the description because your kitchen deserves to feel peaceful and functional again. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss another 2-minute tidy tip. Happy decluttering.